איפה?
Welcome to the cybersecurity experience. This is a seated experience. Get comfortable and focus.
Hi, good morning.
I'm right behind you. Good morning. How are you? As one of our top employees, you've been chosen to participate in a unique training session at our cybersecurity center. Please go down to floor minus 222. Welcome to our cyber awareness simulation. Every day, our network is flooded with huge amount of sensitive data that many criminals would like to get their hands on. Our security controls fight off most of the threats, but when it comes to cybersecurity, nothing is bulletproof. And this is where you come in. Today, you will see how employees can improve their security awareness and protect our assets and data. Are you ready? Let's begin. I just received information from our threat intelligence. Hackers are about to launch a phishing attack. Quick, we must check it out. Your first task is to identify emails that look completely innocent, but are actually very dangerous. Find infected emails and suspicious links. Congratulations, mission accomplished. You have identified and reported the suspicious email. There's no time to get too comfortable. We still got a lot of work to do. A new attack is on its way, targeting our sites in Europe. You've gone for a bite at a fashionable cafe in London, not far from the office. messaging app or a private email account to send company or customer data is not secure enough. Company or customer data should only be sent through our secure accounts. Messages with sensitive information must be classified accordingly. But there is no time to rest. There are new alerts from the Cybersecurity Center. For your next task, you will need to be very alert and careful. According to our information, employees around the world are about to make a choice that could affect the company. This employee wants to continue working from home on a document. What is the best way to save it? Well done. By connecting to our network, you can store documents in secure repositories and continue working safely. An employee wants to use translation software. What is the correct way to download the software? Excellent choice. You should only download authorized software. Downloading an unauthorized software exposes our network to threats.
Grant access to data on a need-to-know basis. Share customer or sensitive data only after it was approved and encrypted. Use company account for work only. Use long passwords, each one unique to your work and personal accounts, and never share them. Be alert when sharing data. What you post will last a lifetime. Stop and think before you click on suspicious links. Detect and report cyber threats to security.
Congratulations! You saved the world! You have successfully completed your training in our